Inez, you wanted to see her.
Hey, Ellen, how are you?
Yeah.
She's coming here.
Jack,
How are you?
Jack,
Can you hear me?
Jack, I can't hear you.
Testing, 1, 2, testing.
Can you hear me? Got it. Okay. How are you?
Good, good. How are you doing?
All right. Boy, Jack, you look like you're ready to go play tennis. Jack, I went through that Sales Navigator.
Yeah.
I was looking at it. I don't want to sound like an absolute idiot because I know it's so simple. But when I went into Navigator, there's supposed to be an inbox, right?
Okay, do me a favor, open it up right now. I'm gonna ask to get support on your thing.
All right.
Oh.
All
Go ahead
right.
and open up the lead gen.
I'm going to go to, hold on. Okay.
No.
Then I go to Sales Navigator.
Okay, you could use Sales Navigator, but the app is more easier. But Sales Navigator is important too. But go ahead and show me what you were going to do.
All right. So I'm in here, right?
Mhm.
All right. Where is what's supposed to be an inbox?
Okay. Well, okay. So you see where it says messaging in the top?
Yes.
Okay. Click messaging. You have Sales Navigator, Inbox, and LinkedIn Inbox.
Oh.
Okay. So, and then open up another tab to the right. You see where you see where the check mark is right next to your tab?
Where is it? I'm sorry.
Okay, open up another tab.
Open another tab.
Yeah, up here on the top, you see where there's a, see right there where I'm pressing?
Yeah.
Click that.
Click on where the plus mark is.
Yep.
All right. Why is it not? Hold on. What the heck? Hold on. Okay.
Okay. Now you see where it says lead gen in your bookmark?
Yes.
Okay, open that up. Okay, log in. Okay. Okay, good. You're getting a 25% connection rate. Okay. See where it says inbox on the left?
Yes.
Okay. Click that. This is where people who respond. Okay. So, okay, so see this guy, he's saying, I don't think I need any of your products, but I wonder if you have some good healthcare introductions you could make for me. I help people find senior living communities in Broward, Palm Beach County. I see that you used to be a Solaris Rehab, with Solaris Rehab. I do have a little bit of relationship with Solaris Coconut Creek, but it could probably be enhanced. Now, if you can get into a webcam meeting with Candy, okay, and just listen to her needs, listen to her network of relationships. I guarantee with your sales acumen, she probably does have things you need, but she doesn't think you do, because I think most people think you guys only deal with copiers and printers. So over here, you see where you have your templates.
Yes.
Okay. So, so let's say right now, Okay, so look, I'm gonna click this template right here. Okay, this is not a good template to respond. So a good response would be, here, I'm gonna put a good response in, and I'm gonna show you how to save it as a canned response. So when someone says something like what she said again, you already have a canned response, meaning, hey, I don't think we're a good fit, or, but I would like basically to mooch off your networks and referrals. Because that's basically what she's saying, right?
Yeah.
Okay. She's pretty bold if you think about it. Like, I don't want to give you anything, but can you give me something? She
Hey,
must have- yeah.
you don't know unless you ask.
Yeah. But she doesn't know, but she does have something she can give you, and there's something you can give her. But you don't quite know because you haven't had a conversation with her. There's no relationship formed.
Right.
Salesman's greatest asset is to form as many relationships and have as many conversations as possible. I strongly believe that.
I agree with you 100%. You know what they call that? They call it a touch.
Mm-hmm.
And the more touches you make, the more things you uncover.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm completely in agreement with that. So Jack, how do you get to lead gen? Okay. Do I get to that from?
It's right here. Yeah, I put a tab for you right here. All these are bookmarks.
All right. So then all I have to do is just click on lead gen and that takes me to where I need to go, right?
Mm-hmm. So now we're going to respond to this lead and we're going to create a template. So look,
Okay.
this is one I created for Gustavo. Okay. So I'm going to change it right now. Oh no, this is not the one. Right, hold on. Hold on. See, I have a, we're gonna do a good canned response for this. Oh my gosh, why is he not coming up? Okay, so this is what we do. Let me put your bookmark there. So I put a home. Let's see, so let me go back. Jan canned responses. You're going to share that with me. Oh.
How we can benefit from each other.
Yep. So you're being clear about your intentions. Okay, let me see here. This is where all your templates are, all your different templates.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. So now we're going to send this. Okay. Now she's going to, okay, she's in here somewhere. So it's, you see, this is interacting with your sales navigator. There's a connection. You see, this is Candy right here. Okay.
That's Candy.
Yeah. So in a few minutes, you're going to see your response here. Okay. But you're using the lead gen app. So right now it's in the outbox, this message. See where it says 1?
Mm-hmm.
When you sent that to her. So now I'm going to create a template response, add template. So this is what you want to do. You want to create templates, but I'm going to take Candy out because I just want to pull the name of the person I'm responding to. Okay. So this right here, let's call this template name interested. Let's call it interested. Let's call it benefit each other.
Why don't you call it discovery?
Well, okay, let's call it discovery. Because
Because we're
yeah.
discovering more about each other, right?
Okay, cool. So hi, first name. So it'll add their name.
Right.
Nice to connect. I would love to learn more about what you do and how we can benefit each other. Let me just put each other. Keep it nice to the point. Please schedule a webcam for meeting here to discuss more. Now
Well,
you can add.
Wait.
Yeah.
About what you do and how we can benefit each other?
I'd love to learn more about what you do and how we can benefit each other.
I don't think that's proper English, is it?
Let me see. Let me put it into my Grammarly app.
Yeah, I don't think benefit each other is proper English.
Let's see what my artificial intelligence says.
Let's see.
Nice to connect. I'd like to learn more about you, about what you do and how we can benefit each other. Okay, it changed it. Okay, so let me change it here. Okay. Okay, so I put the change here. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so now discovery, and then so I'm going to save the template. Okay. Now if I go back to your inbox. So now let's say, see this woman, Karine? What this app is, what this app is doing is it's basically telling you the people, it's trying to read keywords. It's telling you how many were positive, how many are maybes, how many are not interested. And then these are all the messages, responses you got. So if what you want to see, like the positive ones, you know, hello, nice to connect. It can tell by the tone that this person was positive. It can tell by the tone that this could be a possible lead. Thank you so much. Have an awesome day. Now, let's say you want to find out more about this person, because you can customize the template response. So you see where the discovery template response is? Right here, discovery.
Yeah, I see. Well, yeah, I can see it now.
Okay, so let's work through this, okay? So if I click this, it'll put in the discovery template, okay? Now, but here, I want to take it to a different level of personalization. So I'm going to view the prospect. You see where it says view prospect here?
Yes.
Okay, and just so you know, I'm recording this. I'm going to send you the recording. So if I click this, it'll open up the prospect. It tells me that they work for a company called Hired Hands. They're the founder and owner, so they're a decision maker. And if I click this, I can see more about her. Providing care, managed service to the residents and visitors to Palm Beach and Broward County. Okay.
Mm-hmm. I have 16 mutual connections.
Yeah. So look.
Did you notice that?
Yeah, that's great. So now if I go back here, if I go back here, I can modify this. Nice to connect. I could put, I see we have 16 mutual connections. Okay. Let me spell. Thank God for spell check. Okay.
Yeah.
I would love to learn more about what you do and how we can benefit each other, and tell you and see if there is a possibility for our RDS Foundation to be, for a possibility for our RDS Fund to become a partner. Now, Gus, right? We have the RDS Foundation that we've started.
Right.
Guess what? As we get to talking to her, we can have some type of program where the foundation will put in, you know, she needs 10 copiers. The foundation will do an in-kind donation of 3 of them. Of course, you guys are going to make money off the monthly recurrings, okay? Because Gus is talking about he wants to get these machines that are sitting in his these refurbished machines that are sitting in his warehouse out. He's not making any money off them. The MPC 500. So one thing I'm using, because I do most of Gus's responses, and I have someone else working with me, and so I'm leveraging the RDS Foundation with nonprofits, because nonprofits love working with vendors who they not only pay, but the vendor will give back to them in some way. In-kind donation, we'll give them discounts, we'll help them with their yearly donor fund. So when they hear RDS Foundation and giving back, you become an intriguing possible vendor. Because if you can do more and have a better quality, better reputation than their current IT managed print vendor, and your foundation is willing to partner, and like CHI, we're willing to do fundraising with them, you know, and of course you and Gus have to do the math, figure out, again, instead of, how does it benefit you guys? And then they become a referral partner. It just goes on and on. It's like a tree, it's like an avocado tree. One tree produces thousands of other seeds and trees that then produce thousands. It's the exponential growth model. One seed can produce a tree that bears 1,000 different, million different trees throughout its lifetime through reproduction. So this would be a good response. So I took the discovery template and I added to it by seeing that she is a nonprofit mover and shaker. She cares about, she's an advocate for patients and families. And
Yeah.
I would even put in there to become a partner for our RDS Foundation, to become a partner like we have with Community Health. What is it? Health.
Community Health of South Florida, Inc.
Yeah. South Florida. I just, you don't have to put Inc.
Community Health of South Florida, right?
Yeah.
CHI.
Yeah. So, what's up? Your mission in helping patients. Now, you see, you're reading from her profile is very important to our CEO, who also serves on various health-related boards. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is going to be, this is a compelling response. So I took the discovery. I did a quick little research. Took me less than 2 minutes. You know, because people are telling you what they're passionate about, what they're interested in, their experience statement, in the work they do. You don't have to be a rocket scientist. You don't have to do, deep dive 30-minute research or 10-hour research. Just boom, right here. And guess what? I could possibly turn this into a canned response too. So I'm gonna copy this, okay? And then I'm gonna send this out to her. I send it out to the outbox, but then I'm gonna go back here. Okay, to create a template, you go to My Campaigns, you pick the file, and you go to click and send templates, add template. I'm going to put this. Give back response. So if they're a nonprofit or health related, they love business vendors that are also partners.
What if you call it charitable?
Okay, cool. I'll put that. It's whatever you feel comfortable with. Our brains work differently as far as keywords, but you can also modify this. I'm just doing this right now, and then I'm going to hit save. But you can go back and edit these templates.
Yeah, you have to correct the spelling in charitable.
Yeah, let me see here. I'll let you go back. So go ahead now, and I want to see you respond to one of these leads.
All right, I was about to say, then
I want to see you create a template with that response.
All right, so let me see now. So this is Jack, right?
Mm-hmm.
It happens to be Jack.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's see. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to response.
No. First, view the prospect. Get a feel of who he is.
All right. So let's see. Hold on here. View prospect. Okay. Hang on. Let's see. Where do up here. Got it. Okay. So we're going to view the prospect, right?
Yep.
All right. View prospect. I'm writing down these steps. Okay. All right. And I'm going to click on his LinkedIn, right?
Yep. Yeah, get a feel of who he is, because when you do your canned response, you could add a little flavor of personalization.
Principal, Genesis Medicus, seasoned healthcare executive, hospital insurers, physicians, JV, M&A, GME program. Wow, this guy has got credentials up to Wazingo. 500 connections. Let's see. What is Jack's top skill? All right. How do I advance this up now over here? How do I scroll over here?
Let me see. Scroll where?
I want to look more at his page.
Okay, right here on the right-hand side. You see the scroller?
Where?
On the right hand, there's a, right here.
Over here.
Yeah.
All right, 41 mutual connections.
Yeah, I always read about their statement, their about statement. So I would read that to get a feel of who he is. Oh, man.
Look at, I know all these people.
Okay.
John, Sandy, she's the CEO of that hospital. Maria Ruggiero, Elisa, Jeff Kaplan. I know all these people very well. Okay. I know Alex Ramillo very well.
Yeah, you may want to drop that into your canned response.
Okay. Alex is the president of Health Choice Network. Health Choice Network is the one that manages CHI.
Yep.
They're part of CHI. I mean, CHI is part of HCN, Health Choice Network. Okay. So, all right. So now I looked here. Hold on one sec. It's Robin. Hey, Robin. What's up? Yes. Yeah, 30 days notice, yes.
Come in. Hey.
Well, I told her 0.008. I don't know if she came up with 007. No, just honor it. It's, yeah, we can't hold that up. Yeah, just honor it. All right. Thank you, Robin. Bye. All right. So getting back to Jack. Jack?
1 second, Alan, give me 1 minute.
Oh, okay, so let me see here. All right, so I know him, I know him, I know her. We have a lot of people in common.
Hey, Alan, okay, I got about 5 more minutes. So go back and read his profile and then
All
and
right.
let's go ahead and do a canned response, and I want you to fill it in with some love and some
Now,
spice.
where do let's see, I got to go back and read his profile, so,
Hit the back button on the top left. Yeah, right there. Yeah.
okay,
This guy's a heavy hitter, so
very.
that's why you're gonna have to.
My role as the seasoned executive has never been more complex, meeting the ever-present challenges, uncertainties, and opportunities under the Affordable Care Act. At times where M&A seem to be a common, however, my track record and ability to effectively manage large health systems, medical groups. Wow. Yeah, this guy is very heavy. Manage acquisition, startups, budgets, currently focused on managing UME, GME projects as various academic medical centers, acute care hospitals, health systems, community health centers. Continue focus on medical education as the founder of Genesis Medicus Parallel Clinical Campuses model. Specialties, very strong physician relations, contract negotiation, leading complex, large organization, business development, and most important, making it happen. Yeah, this guy's heavy.
So your response is gonna have to be really seasoned. So now go back to lead gen, and maybe you can start with a canned template response and then add in some flavor.
All
So
right,
back to
so I'm gonna go back now to,
The
I got-
lead gen tab on the top, yeah.
I hit the back button.
No, you see the lead gen tab? Oh,
Ah,
yeah. No, you don't need to do that. Okay, all your tabs are right here. You see, whenever you open a tab, these right here are tabs. So you can keep different tabs open and go by clicking tabs and moving in and out of stuff. Make sense?
okay. All right, so,
See where it says lead gen?
yeah,
Click that tab.
up on top here.
Yep.
Where the heck is lead gen? Wait a minute.
Way in the top.
Right here,
It's right. Okay. Okay. You
right
see,
here.
no. Well, that's the lead gen document I was working on. There's another
Oh.
one.
Where do you see? I see
Right
lead
there.
gen to my left.
Go left more.
All the way over here, I see lead gen.
No. Okay. Right there.
No.
Right there. Look. Right there. You see in the top?
Right here?
Yeah. Okay. You see, it says lead gen up here. Yeah.
Yeah,
That's called,
Not that.
those are tabs. And right next to it is the LinkedIn tab. If you want to go back to Jack's LinkedIn page, move to the right slightly where it says Jack and the LinkedIn tab. Go right.
you see, everything is covered up here.
It's not covered up. I can see it. I can see your screen. Right next to it is the LinkedIn tab. To the
Yeah,
left, lead gen, back and forth.
okay.
You see those, these are called tabs.
All right, I got it.
This is the best way to move in and out of stuff.
I got it, okay.
Okay,
All right,
and
so,
you can close stuff out too, okay? So
all right,
now we're back here. And let's say you want to respond to them
okay,
with a template. Okay,
All
you can either do it while this is open or you can close this out
right,
and you can come here, response, charitable response, discovery response. Which template do you want to start with?
I would probably say discovery, right?
Okay, then go ahead and click the discovery canned response.
Discovery, charitable. Where the heck is the discovery? Jack, do you see the discovery?
Yeah, it's right there next to fourth message.
Oh, see, it's covered up. Hmm. All right, hold on.
It's actually not covered up. It's right there. It's right in front of you. See where my mouse is?
But I can't see it because it's, hold on.
Oh, do you have something in front of it? The Zoom stuff? I'll move it all out of the way.
Yes,
Okay, that's why. Okay, I can't see your Zoom stuff, but I always move that stuff out of the way to the
Okay.
bottom.
all right, so, hi, Jack.
It's gonna automatically put their name. When you hit send, you don't need, it's gonna pick up their first name and add it automatically.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, that's what that code means.
Okay. All right, so, hi, Jack. Nice to connect, okay? I see that I noticed,
You're on capital, you're on,
oh God, I'm sorry. Hold on. I noticed that we have a lot of connections in common, right? Connections in common, period. One of my clients is community health centers community health, be nice if you spelled it right, which is CENTERS, which is affiliated Does this do a spell check? No, it doesn't. Jack, are you there?
Well, you have your browser spell check, but look, I'm going to install an app called Grammarly. 1 second. Just stop real quick. I'm going to install it for you. I'm going to open up a tab. Okay. Grammarly, they have a free version.
Okay.
It checks, what kind of browser is this? This is Chrome. Okay, you see this app right here?
Yep.
With the G, okay. So let me go ahead and sign up for you. You can sign up with your Gmail account.
Yeah, that's fine.
Alan. You can use this for work. Sales. So you see how you're working on this right here? If you hit Control A and then Control C, it will copy everything, or you can do copy like that. Now, let's say you open up the app, hit New Document. Okay, you just open it up always. Skip the tour, you don't care what. You just paste it. And it'll tell you, okay. It's always going to want you to get the premium, but you could just use the, oh wait. They're going hard on the premium. So this is, it's saying it's a passive, but everything seems okay. It would tell you if there was grammar issues. Saying that it's saying this is you're using the passive tense, but we do that as Americans all the time, so it's not a big deal. So you're good for now. But consider, but you could use Grammarly in the future just to do a quick check. Okay. Okay, so next connect, I noticed that we have a lot of connections in common. One of my clients is Community Health Center, which is affiliated with.
Hold on, Health Centers, which is affiliated with
Health Choice Network.
Health Choice Network. I'm going to say I have a long-term relationship with Alex.
I got about another minute here, but look, you're doing great. Finish your write-up. I mean, look, this is your strength right here. So there's not much I can teach you apart from today. I want to teach you how to use this technology, how to create canned responses and how to customize them. Instead of going to Sales Navigator, use this app because this app is helping you filter all the responses. Make
All right,
sense?
so I finished this now. So now I want to send this to the outbox.
Yep.
All right, because it's done.
Okay.
So sent to outbox, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now what?
Okay, so now you got this response. This person says, thanks, no need for your response. So I created a canned response called Not the Right Time. So let me see what this says. Thanks for the update. We might be a better time to check. Right. Okay, so this is in response to someone else. I do have canned responses I created for people who say no, don't need your services. I can add them to this list right here and then go in there and I'll add them to your template list. We've done a lot of work. So you can modify those. But again, if you want to add your own template, just go to My Campaigns,
All right.
click the list, hit click and send templates. You see that?
Yep.
Come here, add new template. Okay, write hi, and then hit this right here. It'll add the code. So you don't have to type in their name all the time. Okay, and then write your response. Like for example, when they say no, not at this time, let me copy the one I did for Gus. And then you can modify it if you want in the future.
Yeah, what did you say?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it in there right now. Hold on. 1 second. Because Sales Navigator doesn't allow you to do this. And when you start dealing with, a lot of different, okay, so I have a basic one, which is, let me put it in here. So I got this one right here. I got several no responses. No. This is pretty, cut and dry. Let me see the other one I got. Okay, this is a good response. I'm gonna put in here. Okay.
What is it?
I'm gonna put it in there. I'm gonna show you right now. Okay, add. Okay, so let's say a typical person says, "Hey, great to connect, Alan." And then you're gonna respond, "Joe, your business seems very interesting. I love the way that you're helping, seniors with Medicare. I would be interested to learn more about it if you have 50 minutes for a quick chat." And then, of course, we're going to put your link in there. Okay. This is a very simple, people want to tell their story. They want to try to sell. And guess what? As they do that, you can turn that into a sell. Because you're going to, if you listen, you're going to notice they have deficiencies, or maybe you can refer them to someone else and you can make profit through that referral. So this is called the "you're interesting" response, or seems interesting response. And you notice there's a little parentheses block. That's so you can fill it in with your Joe, your legal firm seems very interesting, the way you're helping First Amendment issues, or the way you're helping people, you know, as a criminal defense lawyer. I know there's many people who don't have representation. I would be interested to learn more. So guess what? You find out about him, his offices. You find out that they have needs for security camera, VoIP. But the assumption about LinkedIn is, and it's true, certain businesses will not grow by just digital ads. You have to listen. You have to get into that 15-minute conversation, or, you know, and find out where their deficiency is. They will, find out where their vulnerabilities are. And then you will, as a good salesman, be able to do that. So this interesting one works for me. Again, and also another assumption here, and I talked to Gus about this week, is LinkedIn is not for the 3% hot leads that are out there searching in the market for a print store. We're already catering to those people. You know, RDS is we're spending money on Google Ads. He's spending money on SEO with Blake and me. We're catering to the people who are searching primarily through the channel of Google Business and Google Ads. This LinkedIn is for the 97% warm and cold that can be turned into warm if you can find out where their vulnerabilities and struggles are. This is about turning people, turning them into hot leads. So it takes a little bit more patience, because people are hungry and don't realize it. They're getting screwed over by their leads. They're getting screwed over by their camera company. They're on an incredible expensive VoIP plan with Comcast, and they don't even have phone app features. They're spending a lot of money on copiers. They're with a printer company that doesn't guarantee to give them a replacement printer even while their printer is being fixed. Your flexible plan is crazy outrageous. So, but they're not going to know, and no one cares by seeing an ad on LinkedIn. It's the whole idea is you're trying to get people into these webcam meetings, but you have to start with being interested in them and eager to learn about them. And through learning, you're going to learn what their weaknesses and vulnerabilities are. And warm turns hot, cold turns warm, warm turns hot. Next thing you know, and you're not going to see the seeds all of a sudden harvest. There's a planting, a watering, and the next thing you know, 3 months from now, you're going to close on 4, 5, 10 LinkedIn leads that really the conversation started in January of 2021. But nothing just happens. When they become a hot lead, they start searching, and then they start shopping around for the best quote. And now you're competing with the guys who are spending $20,000 a month on Google Ads. And some of these, your competitors, me and Mike and Gus have looked at them. We've looked at the analytics because we can run spy reports on how much they're spending. These guys are spending like $10,000 on ads, and they're all over the place. And Gus doesn't want to do that. So when that 3% are now looking at 50 different print companies in South Florida, you guys are closing, but it's 1 out of 50. But very few people are priming the pump with the warm and the cold leads, because this takes effort. This takes actually looking at someone's profile and just trying to have a web meeting with them, a phone conversation. And it's going to start with their point of interest, what they're interested about, and let them try to sell to you. because you may end up needing something they have, or referring them to someone where you can broker and make money. But the whole point of it is this is very effective if you understand it from those terms. I got to run. I'm way over time here, but I'm going to save this right here. And you can, I'm going to add more of Gustavo's responses that we've worked on over the last 3 months here. You can copy, paste, modify as you please. You could do Grammarly checks. Just click this link, boom, new document, add it in there. You know, use this technology, this artificial intelligence to help you with grammar. And that's it, man. I'm gonna send you this video as soon as it's done rendering. All right.
All right, that sounds great.
Okay. Thank you, brother.
All right, Jack, I'll talk to you.